Welcome to the fascinating world of physics. But what is physics really? Physics deals with the study of nature and the properties of matter, energy, and the relationship. Physics includes all kinds of matter. In the smallest form, it includes an atom, and the tiniest particles that make up an atom. And in larger form, it includes the stars, the planet, and the universe. Also, it includes energy in all forms, like light, air, the sound, magnetism, and gravity. In other words, physics teaches us about naturally occurring objects that might not be not a shape but are the fundamental questions about our physical universe. Physics can also be described as a science dealing with physical quantities. In this regard, physics is widely considered to be the most fundamental and important of all natural sciences. Physics and mathematics are closely related to one another. It could be said that mathematics is the language of physics. Do you know the difference between heat and temperature?
Yes, temperature is a measurement of how hot or cold something is. Temperature is the measurement of hotness or coldness, while the energy is transferred to being object as kinetic energy is being transferred. To make sense, temperature is the measurement of hotness or coldness, while the heat energy is transferred with object with different temperature.
What about heat? How is it different from temperature?
Heat is a transfer from a hotter object to a colder object. The colder object temperatures increase while the hotter object temperature decrease. Exactly. Heat can be transferred through different mechanisms like conduction, convection, and rotation.
Hello and good day. At this juncture, we have to know first what is the meaning of work, power, and energy. And let's start by what is work? Work means it is a transfer of energy that occurs when a force is applied to move an object over a distance. While power is a rate of which work is done or energy is transferred. And lastly, is energy. Energy means it is the capacity to do work.
Hello everyone, today we're diving into the fascinating world of unit of conversion. Whether you're a mathematician or just trying to make sense of different measurements, this topic is for you. Let's start with the length. Imagine our measurement in inches, but you need in centimeters. Fear not, because converting unit is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Know your conversion factor. There are 2.54 centimeters in an inch. So, to convert inches to centimeters, simplify multiplying the length in inches by 2.54. For example, if your folder is 10 inches long, just multiply 10 by 2.54 and voila, you got the length of centimeters.
Welcome to the world of forces and motion, where invisible hands shape the dance of the universe. In physics, force is a push or pull that changes the state of motion of an object. It's the invisible influence that brings about motion. There are different types of forces like gravitational, electromagnetic, and frictional forces, each playing a crucial role in the dynamics of our world.
Go.
Think about riding a car.
天国を追い出された天使は悪魔になるしかない。そうだろう、スパイ。
So whether you're driving a car, the laws of forces and motion are there, silently orchestrating a symphony of our dynamic work.
Mathematics is the language of logic.
Science unravels the mysteries of the universe.
Technology and power are dreams into reality.
Triumphant Symphony.
Understanding, discovery, and innovation.
Cadet Carolino,
Engine Cadet Iso.
Engine Cadet Vicendes,
Engine Cadet Salon.
Engine Cadet Casana.
Powers of light over alteration. And last, with energy is the capacity to do. In physics, force is the voltage changes state of motion. The vast principle brings about
Temperature. Heat and temperature.